Welcome, today in front of me Nokia 1.4 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first, if you go to the settings application and tap on the sound section, here as can you see we got the ring identification volume panel, and just to unmute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot to the right side of your device. And also we got the second way how you can do that. You just should press your up volume button to do that here on the right side of your device, and then you will see the settings icon. Just tap there, and by the same way you can unmute your ringtone, and then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.